Hello world, welcome to CyberCrete, and today in this video we are going to see how you can install Anaconda on your Windows 10 machine. So let's get this video started, and if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. So the first thing that you need to do is to download Anaconda. For that you just search on your Google browser download Anaconda and click on the first result that you see, and from here you just need to go ahead and click on your download section and it will directly take up to your Windows section. And please make sure to download 3.7 because Python 2.7 is now absolute and can be stopped anytime. So click on 3.7 and choose the version 32-bit or 62-bit. I won't download it because I already have downloaded it. So let me minimize it, and here is Anaconda which I have downloaded. So let's start in the installation process. So first thing, you just simply need to click on the next and then just agreement, and just for me, of course, I don't have any other user, so just click on next here, and please make sure to click on add Anaconda to the path environment variable. It is something that you must do, and then click on install. And now the installation process have begin, and it might take some time depending upon your system configuration. So wait for like 3 to 4 minutes, and let's just set up and let's wait for this installation process to get over. Let's see what things are getting installed. Now we have successfully installed. Now click on next. Now just uncheck both of them and click on finish. Now just simply search on your search bar for Jupyter notebook just to verify if the installation is correct. Okay, this opens perfectly fine. Now just click on new Python 3 and let's check our simple print statement, print welcome, and of course it is functioning fine. Now let's just quickly open our Anaconda prompt. Just search for Anaconda prompt and you can see it here and click. Now let's just simply close it, leave. Now let's just wait for our Anaconda to open. This may also take some time depending upon your system configuration because Anaconda is not some lightweighted software. Okay, now we are finally in. Just click on OK here as we have nothing to worry about. And here you can see you have Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell, QConsole, Spyder, and everything. This was a quick installation video of Anaconda, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done already.